opportunity that went by. Poor you, now what you gonna do? Now what you gonna do? You just cry. I don't know